clear? This is how to use the CMS of GN Designer Jewelers. First, you go to the main website page. If you want to log in, you add WP admin. It will take you to the backend. You can add the username and the password we provided to you. Now, first thing we need to know is this CMS that it is very easy to use. So first, if we want to add a new page, we go to pages. You see there's something called all pages, something called add a new page. So you click on add a new page. All pages has all the pages we created already for you. On add a new page, over here you enter the title of the page you want to add. Over here you put the text that you want to add for the website, for the page you want. So let's put, for example, the page title as test. Now here we add the text here. Anything we want, doesn't matter. So over here there is this editor. It's very easy to use. It's exactly the same of Microsoft Word. So if we go here, there's something on a toolbar called toolbar toggle. If you click on this one, it gives you more options. For example, the paragraph option over here, it gives you a paragraph address, heading 1, heading 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We don't ever use heading 1 because it might affect on the SEO. So we always use heading 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, for example, let's choose heading 2. Heading 2 to make it bigger, bolder, and this any way you want. Okay, over here there is italic, the bullet list, the numbered list, black quote, horizontal line, align left, center, right. And this is insert link. You can add the link of the page if you want to link the text to any page. You add a link over here. You can put open in a new tab on clicking or not, if it's up to you. If you added a link, for example, let's add any link. And if you want to take off the link, so you don't want to use this link anymore, just click remove link. Now there is something called underline, justify, text color. For example, you can choose any text, any color from here, or you can choose custom. So there's an option called paste as text. So paste as text is very simple option, because usually if you want to copy from a Word document to a WordPress page, it will copy it exactly the same it is. Let's see how. For example, I want to copy this one. I will paste it here. Now, if you don't want it to be pasted in this way, what you need to do is click on paste as a text. When we copied it from the Word document, you see it copied it as it is, bold, color, and even the links. So what you have to do is delete this one. If you don't want all of that, click paste as a text, then paste. As you see, everything is different now. Everything is just pasted it exactly as a text. Now let's delete this one. Let's see how to add a new picture on this page. Click add a new media. Upload the files you want from here. The files should be PNG, JPG, or PDF. If you choose anything else, it will not work on WordPress. You cannot upload videos. Uploading videos will be manually on the cPanel. but over here you cannot upload videos. You can only upload pictures, PDF. And if you have the picture already, you can go to media library and choose the picture you want, any picture you want. For example, let's choose this picture. When you click on the picture, it gives you link and gives you edit and cancel. Basically, always remove the link because it might cause an issue on SEO. Then click edit. Over here you can choose any size you want, smaller, the full size, or custom size. Custom size, you can choose the width and the height you want. If you choose the width, the height will be automatically set in a way that makes the resolution of the picture fits with the width and the height. Link to, you can put a custom URL, attachment page, media file. So if you want to put custom URL, you can link it, for example, to any other pages on your website. So we choose now, right now. Click update. As you see, it made it bigger in a good way. Now let's see how to add a video. For example, if you want to add a video, you can upload it to YouTube. Then from YouTube you can add it to the website. Let's see, for example, this video. You just have to copy the link of the video. Then you can paste it on the WordPress. As you see, the video has been added automatically to the page. Now, if you want to separate between all of them, you can click on horizontal line. Over here also as well, horizontal line. There is one more thing over here. There's edit the link of the page. You can edit anything to make for example, the link of the page looks better so you change it if you want, then click OK. After that, you click on publish. So if you want to see the page before publishing, you can click on preview changes. It will show you the whole page as it is. The picture, as you see the picture, it looks much better. The video, the text. If you are satisfied with it, you just click publish, then view page. It will look exactly the same. Now let's close this to see how to add a new product. Adding new products is very easy. You can go to layer slider WP, click on it, choose any slider you want, earrings, copy, home copy, pendants, earrings, gent earrings, dress earrings, award, home. So if we go to earrings, for example, add a new slide by clicking on this button over here, add a new slide. The picture size should be exactly this, 940, 605 width and height, to make sure it fits on the slide. Now let's choose one of the images we have already. For example, this one. As you see, it came exactly fitting the whole box. Okay, so this is the image we just chose. If you want to add a text on the image, you just go to HTML, video, audio. You can put any text you want here. We use this one because we need to put a certain code so it it fits with the product number, adding product number on the contact form of the products. Okay, so you can go to any of the other slides and go to the text, copy it, and paste it here. We need to do this because there's this code over here. It's very, very important to put so the product number shows on the product page. So over here you change the product number if you want, then you change the text that you want, and it will appear automatically on the slide. As you see, this is the slide, this is the text, so it looks awful. If you want to change the style of the text, you can go to styles, then click on color, change it for example to white, make it bigger on the size, anything you want is included here. For example, font family, you can insert for any font family you want, for example Arial. Border, for example, put 2. It will give a border of the whole box. Alright, now let's click Save Changes to see the earring we just added. The ring we just added. Let's go to the page earrings. Okay, you see here it's just it's been added on the page automatically. You can see it over here. Alright, now how to delete the product is by clicking X. It will delete it. You see, are you sure you want to remove this slide? You click OK. Save changes. This is the way how to add new products. Now let's go on smart security. Smart security will give you the ability to see who's going inside your website, who's trying to ruin your website, who's trying to play with your website. So let's go, for example, on Security Scanner. Click on Run Scanner. It's going to show you that it doesn't have any malwares, any blacklisted, anything that might affect your website. Let's go to logs. On logs page, you see everyone that logged in to your page, to your website, and tried to do any errors on the website. So, for example, if you see this one, it gives you the risk. Every visitor that has the red panel, it means this user is a risk. There's analyze logs. It does exactly the same thing, but it bans people from coming in. For example, this guy here, he's giving 50% risk for hacking your website. What you should do is just clicking on ban, and it will ban him from getting into the website again. Now let's see how to add in new users. You see here there's something called users. Click add a new. Choose the username, and you add the email of the user, password. I repeat the password. For example, let's put username, email, you can put any first name, last name, website, any website you want. You put the password you want. And you click send the password for the guy you just created his account right now. So he will receive the password. You can choose here if it's subscriber. Subscriber means he cannot do anything to your website. Author, It's just he can add only pages editor, he can add pages, and he can add anything except he cannot get to users or appearance over here. Administrator as your situation right now. Then you click add a user. Right now I don't want to add a new user, so I will log out. Always remember to log out, so you make sure nobody feels it might cause a hacking problem if you stay login. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.